Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys, and today guys I'm going to go and be showing you how to check your Venmo PIN. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, what we want to do is go ahead and open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com, this is the main URL, and after opening up it's going to look like this. On your mobile phone, just go and download the Venmo application and open it up. So once you have done so, now we can get started. The first thing we need to do is to log into our account. So if you do not already have a Venmo account, what you can do is register for one by clicking the Get Venmo option right here. That's going to enable you to register with your mobile number. So after you have got your account, go ahead and log in. So after we have logged in, you are going to be greeted by the main page that is right here. It's going to look like this. On your mobile phone, this is the home page where at the bottom of the screen you can find all the sections that you can access, such as the home section, cards, crypto, and so on, everything that we need. And now we can get started. So what do we have to do to go ahead and check out our PIN number? Well, it's very easy, and right here on the official help Venmo page we can follow the steps that are given. So basically you have two options guys. If you have forgotten or haven't set your PIN for your Venmo credit card, what you can do is begin the process by reaching out to the Synchrony Bank at this number right here. What you have to do is call this number right here. There is no other way. You cannot send a message or anything. You have to call this number to ask for your PIN. Then they're going to ask for some info from your Venmo account, such as your username, your password, and so on, maybe something similar. After that, if you know your PIN, you can change it at any time by calling this number right here, so you can turn it into whatever you want. But yeah guys, these are the two solutions that you have if you want to check out your PIN number, because that option is not available directly from the application. You cannot access the settings or something similar and check your PIN number. It has to be done with the numbers in the bank. So basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.